In late 2021, I rode on Asia's fastest high-speed track on my Rocket 3 Hayabusa and the Ninja H2. The track is part of the NATRAX, which is situated in the heart of India, in the city of Indore in Madhya Pradesh. After the high-speed runs were concluded successfully, it was time to celebrate. And what better way than to ride with the Supercar Club of Indore, also known as the Malwa Supercars Club. And Indore has a great getaway place called Charm Gate, surrounded by lush green mountains and some great tarmac. Starting with Mr. Nipun here, who is of course from Indore, and this car does not need any introduction. And this is the Urus. I had a chance to drive this, the media car, actually last year.
Okay.
And it's a Lamborghini, so it's got all the characteristics. But Mr. Nipun, so आप मतलब पूछ सकता हूँ कि क्या करते हैं, and why आपने ये ही specifically क्यों खरीदे? आपके पास और भी कार्स हैं क्या?
तो मेरे पास तो बहुत सारी कार्स है, बट मतलब सुपर कार्स या स्पोर्ट्स कार में दिस इज़ माय फर्स्ट.
ओके.
सो मतलब अब मेरी फैमिली हो गई है, 2 बच्चे हैं, तो आई थॉट दिस वुड बी अ वेरी प्रैक्टिकल एज वेल एज इट विल गिव मी अ फील ऑफ अ प्रॉपर स्पोर्ट्स कार.
राइट.
So that's how I decided and zeroed it on to the Urus.
इसमें मतलब आप अगर ऐसे घूमे हम लोग, आपको सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ इसमें क्या लगती है? Like the fact that it's a Lamborghini या डिज़ाइन क्या है मतलब जो? Because
नहीं, everything मतलब right from मतलब आप इसको चालू करते से ही जो एक वो रोर करती है कार. तो यार तो चालू करते से ही ऐसा. हाँ, ये स्टॉक एग्जॉस्ट है. तो इसके अलावा एक अपग्रेड और है क्रोपोविस एग्जॉस्ट का, बट मतलब दिस इज
ज़रूरत नहीं है.
हाँ, ये इसमें ही ऐसा लगता है रात को आप एकदम न्यूट्रल में घर पे पहुँचो, कोई घर वाले ना उड़ जाएं.
बहुत बढ़िया. तो मतलब अभी आप, एक सवाल है मेरा, NATRAX है यहाँ पे, आपको कैसा लगा कि आपको पता चला कि एशिया की फास्टेस्ट हाई स्पीड ट्रैक अब आपके घर के पीछे है, और मतलब आप इसको कब ले जाओगे वहाँ पे?
दिस कार एंड आई वाज द फर्स्ट ड्राइवर टू ड्राइव ऑन द NATRAX.
अरे वाह. क्या स्पीड ले गए आप?
I drove it on 317 kilometers per hour.
317. ओके. इसको थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है कि सिर्फ 303 जा पाई.
ओके. मतलब आर ओरिजिनल, मतलब वी आर इनटू कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ हाईवेज.
अच्छा.
सो ओरिजिनली NATRAX की जब बिड आई थी तो हमारी कंपनी ने बिड की थी इन जॉइंट वेंचर, बट वी डिड नॉट गॉट द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. देन अल्टीमेटली IVRCL गॉट इट, उसका टर्मिनेट हुआ, एंड देन L&T ने कंप्लीट किया था.
So after the Urus, we have a clear evergreen winner here with us. In fact, 2 of them. 2 Porsches, 1 Panamera, and 1. Which is this?
So this is a Boxster.
Yeah.
So this is a 2-liter V4 engine.
Okay.
With 300 horsepower.
Okay.
And it goes from 0 to 100 in 4.9 seconds.
Nice.
And 0 to 60 in 3.6 seconds.
Nice. So guys, this is Kaustubh here.
Right.
And which car were you driving out of these 2 right now?
I was driving a Boxster.
So if you were given a choice, which one would you choose?
See, both of them are completely different cars. They both are of different segments. So if you go for a weekend drive, this would be more suitable. If you want more practical car, a daily routine car, so that would be more practical.
Okay. What do you like about Porsches? Like, you have 2 of them.
I've got a Cayenne too. I've got 3 Porsches. So what I like in Porsche is, personally, you've got looks, you've got performance, you've got everything for a justifiable price.
Okay.
Every other car you see is a little expensive,
right,
on a higher range in the same segment. So that is why I love Porsches. They are very good looking. They are performance cars, and everything is good about them. I find no fault in these cars.
So how much is this for on road?
This is a 2016 model. So this one was 1.20 crores. Yeah.
Okay. And that one, the Boxster?
That is 1.05 crores.
That is cheaper than that?
That is cheaper.
Okay. So actually, what do you think about the new Porsches like Macan and the electric Porsches?
So the electric Porsche, these cars might do good, but Macan and everything, I don't feel they are a
True blue Porsche.
Yeah, truly a Porsche. These cars, if you see Porsches, so Boxster, Cayenne, Panamera, these are the kind of cars that people love to drive and people love to buy. But Macan is a car that is an entry level car. I feel if you want to have a feel of a Porsche, you go for that. But
Right.
I'll never recommend it.
Okay.
Yeah.
But can we hear the sound, the exhaust note?
Yeah.
Look at that. This is one of the perks of this.
Should I drive it?
Well, you can have your own Need for Speed Porsche Unleashed. Have you played that game?
Yeah.
Imagine, like he can have his own video game. He's got 3 Porsches. And there is the XBHP magazine. Here is the pillion. It's a passenger seat. And so I'm still a biker. I say like a pillion.
Yeah.
So how many cc is that?
This is a 2000 cc, I think. Yeah, 2000 cc.
This is 2,500 cc. So that's pretty cool.
This is a 3000 cc car.
So that console is beautiful. Look at that console, yeah. You know, look at that center console. This is so classic.
So this car is all about its interiors. The interiors are way too beautiful. If you see, the exterior might not be that appealing, but the interiors are.
No, I love the
just
exterior
another
also.
thing.
It's absolutely.
Most people, they are skeptical about Panamera. I see. They don't like the exteriors.
So this is the edition is written over there. So
Yeah. So this was a limited edition car.
Okay.
Because this has special specs in it, all the interiors and everything. So that is why it has
Wow.
edition written over here.
So could you have you customized it like the interiors? Could
It
you
was a
choose
stock car, but
Okay.
it was like this the way it came.
Okay.
So it was a stock car they had. It was a limited edition car. So
So you've driven on the Natrax?
yes,
How did you find it? Which with car? That
both
one?
the cars we driven on the Natrax. So this went to around 280 to 290.
Okay.
That car went to 270.
Nice. This is beautiful, guys. I mean, like here, we've got a very good scene going on. Look at these cars. Right, so as you saw, it was an amazing ride. I mean, this is my first time in Indore, and the outdoor in Indore is absolutely wonderful, especially this place, Jamgate. just 30-40 kilometers from the city. But as you saw, some great machines, and one of them is here. I wanted you to meet Mr. Manoj here with this car, which is GLC 43, which was going pretty good on the corners, and I was just observing the body roll, etc. But the thing is that can you tell me, Mr. Manoj, what is it with cars that makes people connect them so well?
Sunny, I love cars. I've been with cars for a very long time. I mean, I love all kinds of fancy cars, and I like to drive a Bentley. I have a Flying Spur, which I drive most of the time. And this is now that I was looking at a sports car. I was planning to buy a Porsche or something, a smaller car, but when I saw this GLC AMG, it is unbelievable. The performance in this car, the road grip, and okay, Indore being a lovely city, lovely roads, everything is fine. But I live in a farmland. I live in a estate which is 100 acres, and the roads are not good. For me, this car is just like perfect. I'm enjoying the fun, the drive, the speed. You call it a supercar, I'll race your bike, I'll race anything. This car does 0 to 100 in 4.3 seconds.
Wow.
I'm using the launch control where I rev it to 3000 RPM and take it up to 150, 160, and this car gives me immense pleasure. Sunny, it's great fun driving.
You got the Flying Spur.
And
you didn't get that here. I mean, you can't get you can only get so many cars.
Absolutely.
But the Flying Spur is like one of my favorites. I think it was at one time it was the fastest sedan in the world.
It was.
And I mean, it's like, what should I say? Over 300 kilometers an hour.
It does. And I've used it for many years. I've had the Flying Spur for nearly 5 years now.
Wow.
But it's a car which has to be handled carefully. This is a rough car. I can drive it around, fool around with these guys. But with the Flying Spur, no. I got to be careful.
So now talking about being careful, you have something behind, I mean, like in your neighborhood, the NatTrax, the high-speed track. Have you been there with the Spur?
No. So I've been talking to these people, Shindra, and I'm looking to go there. With both the Flying Spur and this GT. And I know a friend of mine just did 317 kilometers on the Lamborghini.
In the Urus. Yeah.
So, I mean, that's fantastic. But 250 is something that I could easily do in this, and maybe 300 in the Flying Spur. So,
wow, I mean, look at that. I mean, it's like being spoiled for choice. Can I ask you that if the roads permit, everything permits, which is that dream car for you?
I just had the Aston Martin DBX, which was brought to Indore. I wanted to see that car.
Okay.
And I drove the car. I loved the performance. The car was really good.
Right.
But somewhere that British look in that car was where it didn't, where the Urus took everything away.
Right. I mean,
so
it's too docile for you looking.
Yes. So frankly, my next car will be the Lamborghini Urus. I'm looking at the Urus, and maybe next year I'll pick up the Urus.
Talking about looks, I have to say this, guys, but he looks like Anil Kapoor. I mean, I was just little dazed for a couple of seconds. I said I didn't ride that hard, or did I miss him? But he seems to be a gentleman, Mr. Manoj, and but he's not a gentleman inside the car. So thank you so much, Mr. Manoj. It was a pleasure speaking to you. And please drive safe. And I wish you can go to the NatTrax, because we are coming from there right now with these motorcycles.
Absolutely.
Maxing them out.
We should be. We'll see you again.
Yeah, absolutely.
And thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay, buddy. Thanks.
So right now I'm with Mr. Shashank here, who's got the Audi TT. Shashank, I heard that you were one of the first people to get Audi TT when it was launched.
Yeah, in fact, this is the first customer ordered car of India, basically. So I specifically chosen some add-on packages on this car, and it got made in Hungary and delivered to me in June 2015.
Wow, this is a guy who loves his machine because he remembers the date as well. And the date of the car was June 15, the delivery.
Yes, 30th June.
30th June. I am sure you will remember the time, the hour.
Definitely, it's one of my first supercar or a sports car, I can say. And it's very thrilling to drive such car, and it's a dream since childhood to own a sports car. Absolutely. So it's my first sports car, and so it has to be like very important in my life. So this is a 230 bhp car, 390 Nm torque, 0 to 100 in 5.3 seconds.
Right.
But it feels much faster because of the low wheelbase in this car, and drives fantastic. And it also has a second generation Quattro system, which was first introduced in this car. Then later on came into R8 and A8 after that.
Well, it looks like R8ish because one of the gentlemen with me mistook this for an R8. But nevertheless, this is an amazing car. Like it's very compact. and
superb handling, very practical. I've been to Goa a couple of times on this car.
from here.
Yeah, from here. So already driven 50,000 kilometers
Wow.
in last 5 years.
He is the one who actually uses this car. Not everyone that I meet actually puts on so many kilometers on his car, because
And it's very practical for two people as well. It carries all the luggage and two people quite comfortably.
Oh.
And like potholes and speed bumps are quite easy in this. And it's quite affordable, I would say. It's a good starter sports car for anybody who's like getting into the game for the first
Right,
time.
right.
It's a good car for that.
There you go. If you have the money, even if you have the money, it doesn't mean that you go and buy a Lamborghini or something. Similar with the superbikes. But anyway, it was nice speaking to you.
Same
Shashank.
here.
Drive safe,
Thank you.
and may you put on more miles.
Definitely I will.
And now it was time to unfortunately leave this beautiful place. But we will be back, both to Indore and to Natrax. Ride safe.